I like to think of myself as almost famous. Hello and welcome to Intoxicated Masculinity. If it's Wednesday, we have a cocktail video coming at you. Today we're going to go back to our tiki theme we've been doing for a few weeks now. And we're going to talk about the Almost Famous. So the Almost Famous is from Laura Bishop at Liberty Bar in Seattle, Washington. This is sort of another one of those takeoffs on The Last Word, which is a genre that we sort of have a tendency to like on this channel. I don't have a date on the creation. Again, it's a fairly recent cocktail. But I sort of like the format of The Last Word, and I think maybe we'll like this. So let's stop talking about it and start making it. Okay, we're back and we have ourselves some ingredients. And as with the other Last Word variants, we have 4 of them. So we're going to start off with 1 ounce of our fresh squeezed lime juice, which is definitely familiar. Next up, we are taking Aperol. We're going to take 1 ounce of that. So Aperol, as we've used before, it is a little bitter, but definitely among the Amari that we've tried, it is definitely not even close to the most bitter. Using the other Chartreuse, 1 ounce yellow Chartreuse. I hope the Chartreuse shortage is either at an end or almost at an end. Finally, and as for an Overproof Jamaican rum, I'm actually just going to use Smith & Cross. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and use also 1 ounce of our Smith & Cross. Now this isn't what I would call technically an Overproof. It does come out to 57%, which is, you know, certainly not nothing. Alright, let's go and get some ice in our shaker. Okay, so go ahead and toss that into your ice shaker and give it a good shake. We're going to go ahead and double strain that into our chilled coupe glass. That is a very orange cocktail. Interesting. And it says to garnish this with a desiccated lime wedge, which I'm going to do. And there we have the Almost Famous. That's good. That's a very alive cocktail. I'm trying to think. I think the yellow Chartreuse and the lime juice are kind of doing most of the work. You've got your Aperol is providing a little bit of bitterness around the edges, but it's not really front and center. And actually, I'm going to go in here one more time. Yeah, you get your funk there too. But I think, so the funk is the center, you know, because, you know, Smith & Cross, very funky Jamaican rum, which I like a lot. I think you could make this without a Jamaican rum, but I think it would be less good, less interesting at least. But your yellow Chartreuse and your lime are kind of combining your herbal and your citrus and doing a lot. The Aperol, I don't want to see the Aperol gets lost. It's there, it's kind of more, maybe a little bit more in the finish. Yeah, that's good. It's very alive. Yeah, I think that the Aperol is very much on the back end of the cocktail. This is a really, really well-balanced cocktail. I like this a lot. Yeah, I don't have anything else to say about it. Everything is sort of just in the right place and the right amounts. And you're getting sort of every ingredient at different times, but they also meld very well. So, yeah, this is a really good one. I like this a lot. Anyway, on that bombshell, that I like variations on the Last Word. I want to thank everybody for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Have a good drink, and have a good day. That's why we don't open bottles on camera.